Welcome back, everybody. So, you know what Murphy's Law is, right? So, Murphy's Law hit today. You know, some days if it wasn't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. So, I was out cutting the grass this morning. Had the zero turn out, cutting the backyard. And, well, one of them big old boulders I got in the backyard, not really a boulder, but fairly large rock, was in some tall grass, and I didn't see it, and, well, dang it. Well, I hit the son of a gun. And, yeah, tore up a couple of the blades underneath the couple of the blades underneath there. So, we're going to go ahead and buzz those off real quick. Got on Amazon right away, and, went ahead and ordered a 3-pack of new blades to put on. I needed to put them on anyway. It was due to be changed. They were due to be changed for this year. I'm one of those guys that I just change the blades in the belt every year. I don't mess around with it. I know you can probably sharpen them, but I don't. They usually end up looking like a hacksaw blade more so than a lawnmower blade. So I just went ahead and ordered a new set off Amazon. I think they were $39 or something like that for the 3 of them. So you know, $13 a blade, high lift. You know, got all the, you know, whatever all is, and you know. Anyway, they're supposed to be good blades. This is what was on there originally. I'll drop a link to them down in the comments section. If any of you do have a Husqvarna Z254 zero turn, you can use that link to get yourself the set that I put on here. Put a set on last year. They served me well, so you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that's what I'm going to do here real quick. I'm going to buzz these blades off and then get some new ones up in there so we can get this grass finished up. Stay with me. Alright, so as you can see, 54 inch, I've got 3 blades under here. They're all held on with one bolt right here. Each one of the blades is held on. So I'm just going to buzz these bolts off real quick. They're non-interference blades, so they don't touch each other when they're rotating, so you don't have to, you know, worry about clocking them in any certain direction. But you know, I normally, you know, I'll stagger them just a little bit when I put them on, just for my own sake. And then, as you can see, you know, the deck's pretty dirty. Got quite a bit of grass caked up in there. Not too bad though, but I'll go ahead and scrape that off, and probably even grab the pressure washer and pressure wash this deck out real quick. So stick with me. We'll get these blades off real quick and get this finished up. Alright, well, as you can see, I tore this one up pretty good. This is the one that hit the rock, so busted half the blade right off. The other half is most of the way torn apart. So that center blade is also split. As you can see, it's missing pieces, so it was time. The only blade that looks like it kind of made it reasonably unscathed since last year's this one, but even this one's starting to split in the middle. So we'll get these swapped out tomorrow when the new ones get here, and get back to cutting some grass. Alright, so as you can see, I've got all 3 blades off, and there is a fair amount of old grass and dirt and stuff caked up on that deck. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a scraper out of the toolbox there real quick and scrape all this off. I might even drag out the pressure wash. I'll see how it looks when I get done scraping it. See how it looks, and scrape all this off and get this cleaned up. Get it ready for the new blades. So new blades just got here for the zero turn. Just finished kind of quasi cleaning up the deck. I didn't really do a really good job. I just kind of got the majority of the gunk off of it. But I need to get back on the grass here in a few minutes and get it finished up. So gonna go ahead and get the blades put back on here real quick. They just got here a little while ago, and get back to cutting some grass. So stick with me and we'll get these blades on and show you the finished product. Alright, so judging by this pile of caked on grass that's now on my driveway instead of on the bottom of the mower deck, I really have convince myself that I really need to be better about cleaning this thing off every so often. So anyway, like you can see here, I didn't do a great job, but the majority of the gunk is off of it, and I've got the new blades ready to go on here, and you can see those right there. So we'll get these put on. What I'm going to do is, I think after I cut the grass this time, I won't need it for a couple of days, so I may go ahead and pull the deck off of this and go ahead and get the pressure washer out and pressure wash the snot out of it and get the rest of this gunk off of it. And then might see about maybe coating it with some, I don't know, maybe bed liner or something. I don't know. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think. If I should coat this thing with some bed liner maybe to protect it, maybe not have the stuff stick to it so badly, or maybe even just paint it with some paint or something. Maybe keep some of the gunk off of it. So yeah, drop some comments down there. Let me know what you think. All right, as you can see, got the new blades put on. I always throw in that little caveat that I do have the luxury of having an air compressor, so I was able to hit these with the impact gun real quick and get them taken care of, get them tightened down. So of course, not to say it couldn't be done with a ratchet. Nice, half-inch drive ratchet, of course. I wouldn't do it with a 3/8, wouldn't get enough torque on it, but a job that can certainly be done with a ratchet and a socket. And if you're like me and you're old and you may have forgotten which way the blades go on. I don't know if it's gonna show up in the video or not, but it does say the bottom of the blade does say grass side. So just in case you were not quite sure if you had them on back on the right way, or if you had them on right side up or upside down, they mark them on there for you. So these are 810 blades. These are the exact same blades I took off that I replaced last year. I was happy with the way they cut and the way they made the lawn look, so I went back to them again. And as long as I get another year out of these, I'll be happy. And I'll drop a link to them if you have a Husqvarna Z254. These are high lift blades. I really like them. I think they do a really nice job on the lawn. So I'll drop a link to them down in the comments. So make it easy for y'all if any of y'all that actually have this model mower, you'll be able to just go ahead and grab them. Like I said, I think they were $39 and some change plus tax, so $41 or so. It was a good investment. So all right, well, I'm going to be lazy and not get back up, but that'll wrap up this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, of course, by all means, hit the like button, and if you're enjoying the content I'm providing, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and feel free to share these videos. Get them out there and let's folks see them if you think they'll be helpful. This again is a project you can do in your garage with some basic hand tools, ratchet and and a socket, and should be able to do this one no problem. So hopefully this video was enough to convince you that hey, I could probably do that myself. I won't have to pay somebody a couple hours labor to do that. So anyway, as always, I'm Jeff Richter. This has been the Retired Guy's Garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.